I bet many of you have gone crazy dealing with house cleaning all year long, right? Sweeping, mopping, organizing, doing it over and over every single day. Just thinking about it feels exhausting. But hold on, you don't have to stay trapped in this endless cycle. Today, I'll reveal the KonMari method by Marie Kondo, a unique approach to tidying up that helps you keep your home clean and organized without draining your energy. What's special about it? Each principle in this method not only helps you arrange your living space, but also teaches you how to bring balance, joy, and serenity into your daily life. Every effort deserves to be rewarded. By applying the KonMari method, you're not just living with items that truly bring you joy, but also learning to cultivate patience and shape your ideal lifestyle. This isn't a quick fix to get rid of clutter in a few days. The KonMari method is more like a life-changing journey that can take weeks or even months, depending on your level of commitment. The best part? Every small step you take yields clear results, giving you the motivation to keep going. You'll need time, effort, and a bit of determination, but trust me, the reward is worth it. Don't just think about cleaning your home, think about decluttering your mind and discovering a lighter, happier version of yourself. Set clear goals, dedicate the necessary time, and take it one step at a time. In the end, not only will your home undergo a transformation, but you'll also feel refreshed, inspired, and ready to embrace a better you. A tidy space is just the end result of the decluttering process, but it's not the ultimate goal of the KonMari method. The true goal is to create your ideal lifestyle, where every activity in your life brings satisfaction and happiness. Your space and belongings serve as tools to help you carry out the things that bring you joy and peace. Now is the time to think about your ideal workspace. Do you want it to be peaceful and quiet, or dynamic and inspiring? How will you live and enjoy this space? When you imagine your ideal setting, you're not just visualizing a space. You're also clarifying why you want to declutter and envisioning your best work life. Describe your ideal lifestyle in detail by writing down your desires and aspirations and how they will fit into your daily life. If you like to draw, sketch it out. If you prefer writing, describe it in a notebook. Or if you love images, cut out pictures from magazines. When everything becomes clear and tangible, you'll feel more motivated than ever to make it a reality. This principle in the KonMari method focuses on the things you want to keep, the items you cherish, and that bring you joy. It is an opportunity to appreciate and be grateful for the things that continue to enhance your life. Letting go of items that have fulfilled their purpose not only helps tidy up your space, but also brings valuable lessons from past experiences. For example, Marie Kondo herself chose to bid farewell to old photos with respect. She used salt, a Japanese purifying ritual, to express gratitude for what those items had taught her. Moreover, finishing the selection process before starting the organization helps you understand your actual needs, allowing you to plan a more systematic and tailored approach that suits your habits and lifestyle. This is the crucial step that allows you to complete the decluttering process and begin building a new, meaningful life. The KonMari method is entirely different from traditional cleaning methods. Instead of tidying up by location, it focuses on organizing by category, allowing you to gather all items of the same type in one place and clearly see the actual quantity you own. This approach eliminates the habit of storing similar items in multiple locations, which often traps you in a never-ending cycle of repetitive cleaning. Start with simple categories like books, papers, and stationery. Then move on to sentimental items such as photos, artwork, or models. This method not only helps you create a tidy living space, but also makes you more aware of unnecessary hoarding habits, allowing you to better understand your actual needs and set reasonable usage limits. Tidying up with the KonMari method isn't just about cleaning your space. It's a way to declutter your mind and lay the foundation for a lighter, more meaningful life. If you're always busy with work or feel overwhelmed at the thought of tidying your home, this principle of the KonMari method is the perfect solution. Marie Kondo has created an optimal tidying order that saves time and is incredibly practical. Clothes, books, papers, kimono, miscellaneous items, and sentimental items. This sequence isn't just about organizing. It's designed to help you build decision-making skills and cultivate sensitivity to joy. By starting with the easiest category, such as clothes, you'll gradually become more comfortable and improve your skills before tackling the most challenging items, sentimental belongings. The method also encourages you to manage your personal belonging first before moving on to shared items. This way, your living space becomes not only neat and organized, but also filled with things that truly matter. The KonMari method isn't just about cleaning your home. It's a journey of spiritual renewal. It helps you realign your life, let go of things that no longer serve you, and create a space that's truly worth living in. A space where you can find joy and peace in every moment. Marie Kondo has often shared the principle of spark joy, the key factor behind the success of the KonMari method. The core of this method revolves around one simple but powerful question: does this item still bring you joy? KonMari respects individual differences because each person has their own unique joy, and each environment that makes one feel comfortable is different. Therefore, the criteria for selecting items are deeply personal, based on the emotions and feelings of the owner. When holding each item, it is important to observe your body's response. If your heart feels a flutter, a gentle excitement, and your body relaxes as if you want to embrace the item, then that is the one you should keep. At times, it can be difficult to distinguish between what you truly love and what you simply like. In such moments, try placing everything side by side. A direct comparison will help you easily identify what truly brings you joy. Cleaning out your wardrobe used to be a daunting task, but with Marie Kondo's method, it has become surprisingly simple and enjoyable. The first step is straightforward. Dump all your clothes onto the floor. Seeing the pile in front of you, you'll be amazed to realize you own far more than you thought, including items you've long forgotten about. Start by sorting your clothes, which ones to discard and which ones to keep. For items that no longer serve you, take a moment to thank them before saying goodbye. Then move on to organizing the essentials. Instead of folding shirts flat and stacking them as traditionally done, try folding them lengthwise and standing them upright. When folded correctly, shirts will stand securely and can be stored vertically in drawers or storage boxes. This method not only saves space, but also keeps your belongings tidy, making it easier to see and retrieve any item without disturbing the rest. The best part is that this folding technique isn't just for t-shirts. It works equally well for jeans, underwear, socks, and even handkerchiefs. Items that might have seemed to take up too much space will now be neatly arranged, compact, and less prone to wrinkles. Cleaning your home is just like any other task. When you start with a relaxed and positive mindset, everything becomes much easier and more effective. To make the cleaning experience more enjoyable, try having some fresh fruit or a cool drink before you begin. Play your favorite playlist, choosing upbeat or mellow songs depending on your mood. Music can turn what seems like a boring chore into a little party. Instead of rushing into the mess, plan to tackle each corner methodically. Using storage boxes is a smart and efficient method to organize your living space, keeping it tidy and saving valuable room. After selecting the items you want to keep, categorize them into specific groups such as important documents, small accessories or jewelry, children's toys, books and magazines, or kitchen utensils. Each category should be placed in a separate box, ensuring that everything has a designated spot. Organizing similar items within the same area not only makes the space more orderly, but also makes it easier to locate things when needed. You can use transparent boxes to see the contents at a glance, or label each box to enhance organization. Additionally, boxes with uniform sizes and matching colors can add a touch of aesthetics, creating a more modern and harmonious space. I once promised myself that my home would always be clean and organized, but life, as it often does, got in the way. Work piled up, time became scarce, and every time I thought about tidying up, it felt like being pulled into a bottomless pit where all my time and energy disappeared. It was disheartening to see my efforts yield only fleeting results, with everything returning to chaos in no time. Everything changed when I stumbled upon minimalism, particularly the KonMari method. This approach not only helped me organize my home, but also taught me how to restructure my life. Instead of cleaning reactively, I learned to declutter thoughtfully, keeping only the things that truly sparked joy, and letting go of what no longer served a purpose. It wasn't a quick fix, but a transformative journey that reshaped my mindset. As I embraced this method, I found that my living space became more than just neat. It became a sanctuary. Tidying up was no longer a chore. It became a lifestyle that brought peace and happiness. I'm deeply grateful to Marie Kondo for the inspiration she has shared. Thanks to the KonMari method, my life has not only become more organized, but also illuminated by the things that truly matter. The KonMari method isn't just about tidying up your space. It's a way of living that helps you connect more deeply with what truly matters. Its simplicity and effectiveness have captivated millions of people, not just because it's easy to apply, but because of the meaningful values it brings. Many have realized that neglecting the small things around them leads to a chaotic and exhausting life. But with KonMari, you can change all of that. Your space becomes tidier, your mood becomes more positive, and most importantly, life feels much lighter. Start today and make 2025 a year full of inspiration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.